Recording in progress. Yo, what's up, everybody? How y'all doing? Different Baptiste here representing Black Diamond FX, and I got some hot fire sauce for you guys. I want to show you guys something, right? So it's a few years ago, I started learning market maker method. All right, market maker method. Now, for those of you that don't know what market maker method is, it's pretty much Asia consolidates, then we wait for it to break out either the top or the bottom to get like a type 1, 2, or 3 pattern. Most likely, sometimes you get a reversal, sometimes you get continuation. It all depends. All right. However, I realized something. Trading market maker method that way was a bit subjective, right? Now, the way I'm explaining it to y'all right now is the way that I was taught. And I'm going to show y'all something that I've had to figure out on my own. All right. And this, when I tell you, this is so powerful because I combine market maker method with smart money, right? And when you combine the two, it's like almost unstoppable. All right. So let me show you guys something. I don't know how many of you guys out there struggling with market maker, but we about to end this struggle right now. So check this out. Let's look at cash shelf. So as y'all can see, this is cash shelf right here. And I have this indicator I use. It's called Forex market sessions. If you go up here to indicators, type FX market sessions, hit enter. And it's it right here by FX market sessions, boy Taki, with 3396 users or downloads, whatever you want to call it. And once I got it on, all I need to see is Asia, because I know Asia is pretty much known for consolidation. So all I did, I unchecked everything except session 3, and I changed the time as well. Because the box was much bigger. I changed the time as well. Now I'm in central time zone, so I'll make it from 0 to 6:15. You're going to have to adjust to the time zone that you're in. And of course, I changed the name to, of course, my company, Black Diamond FX. All right. And I left all this like it was. The only thing I unchecked was session 1, 2, and 4. I unchecked those. All right. Now, by making the box smaller, you get to see the Asia session, the part of the Asia session. Then you see when New York comes in, not New York, London comes in, and it starts to, break out, get that manipulation either at the top or the bottom. All right, that's important because if you leave the whole box on, it might be not really hard to see, but it just makes it, shrinking the box makes it a little bit easier to differentiate, right? So check this out. So the first thing I do is I go to the higher time frame and I look at my market structure. So say, for instance, looking at this, I see structure is coming down. We're making lower lows and lower highs. That means we're looking for sales. So, and I always like to trade in the direction of structure, right? So then I start coming down, lower time frame, lower time frame, lower time frame, go down to about the 15-minute. So say, for instance, we get this box right here. Well, this might not be the best example. All right, say, for instance, we get this box right here. All right. Now, we know if market is coming down, most of the time we're going to get that push to the top side, just like this, and then it's going to push down this in its intended direction, correct? So when I first started learning market maker, what was not taught to me was that when we go up and get that push to the top side, that manipulation is pushing to an order block or a supply demand zone or whatever you want to call it, right? And a lot of times that's what's happening. That's what happens. So if we can find the direction, if you know the direction that price is going in, the market is moving in, right? And you get your Asia box, a lot of times you can find your trade. Look for, all right. Now, if you trade smart money, you know how to find order blocks. You know how to find valid order blocks and valid supply and demand zones, right? You want to see, all right, buddy, you want to see this impulse move, you want to see this structure break, and you want to see for a bonus it take out liquidity, right? Now it took out some liquidity here, not a whole lot, but it did take some out. It did take some out, right? But look what happened. We had our Asia session right here, the liquidity session. I mean, the liquidity consolidation, liquidity created here. Look, and even if we mark it like this, hold on, let me see. I'm looking for you, uncheck you. Look at this consolidation right up in here, boom. All right, look what happens. It came up. This is where it makes the, you know, the type 1, the MRW pattern. This is a type 1M pattern. Where? Up here to a zone, right? Where's the zone? The zone is in this wick right here. Watch this. Let me show you guys something. You guys got to know how to find hidden zones as well. Hidden order blocks, hidden zones, because it's going to help you right up in there, all right? And if you don't believe me, check this out. I want to show y'all some magic right quick. 15 minutes, let's go down to the 5. All right, let's scroll over. Y'all excuse my music in the background. My kids are watching Gracie's Corner. Boom, there it is right there. All right, break a structure, imbalance. Boom, drop, heavy drop. Look what happened. Look what happened. Came right back up 50% right there, right? So then another thing, we trade smart money, right? Check this out. Let's go down to the 1 minute. I want to show you guys something. This is a cheat code, man. This is a super cheat code. Check this out. Let's see where. Hold on. I got to go back a little bit more. I'm sorry. All right, right here. This is right here. And look what happened, all right? We took out, see this spike up here above the 50%. We took out liquidity right above here. Notice this consolidation. We took out liquidity, came down, smart money traders. We got all change of character. Look what happened. Change of character. Boom, spike up into the zone. That's your trade entry. Drop. Boom, right there. Look how far it went. All the way down here. How many pips was that? Let's count. Now, this is cash shelf. It might not be a whole lot, but, I mean, it's better than nothing. 20, 30-something pips. 32.5, somewhere around there. 32. Let's say 32. But then look what happened, all right? The next day came. We got another Asia session, right? Yeah, another Asia session. Came, took out the lows, came back up. Now this one, notice what happened on this one. It was only a little small liquidity grab right there. That happens sometimes. That happens sometimes, all right? And look, even though it's small, look at your little zone right here. See the little tiny zone right there? That's on a 1 minute. Tiny, but it was valid. It was enough for it to go up, wicked, come down, came back. Look, change of character, another zone up here. Boom, kept coming down. Look, even here, came down. All right. Now I probably wouldn't have taken this trade right here. All right. However, let's move over. Look at this one. All right. We know price is coming. What price was coming down? Well, this was a retracement. Now look what we get right here. Price came down, broke out, came back up into Asia. Now, I'm still expecting this to come back up into the zone up top. Let's see something. Yeah. Because it did. I would like to see it come into the zone. All right. I like to see it come into the zone. Now, there's a possibility that it might not. There's a possibility that it will, but I would like to see it come into the zone. All right. But I just want to show you guys that when you trade market maker, don't just look for price to make an M pattern or a W pattern. There's a reason it's making that pattern. Everything that happens in the market happens for a reason. Nothing is random. Nothing that happens in the market is random. You guys, please remember that. All right. if you're trading market maker and you see price come up, breaking out, make sure you know what direction the market is going. If it's coming down and it breaks out the top, most likely that is manipulation. It's taking out some liquidity. Look at this. All right, this was our Asia session right here. Look what happened. Came up, boom. Look, this is our zone right here. Y'all see that? This is coming down. CAD CHF is coming down. See how I tapped into my zone, my lower time frame zone? Boom. This makes it so much easier and so much simple. All right. I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you want to learn more, if you want to follow the team, if you want to learn with the team, if you want to learn with Black Diamond FX, let me know. Send me a message. Send me an email, blackdiamondfx@yahoo.com. And if you found this video helpful or interesting, please, by all means, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. All right. Devin Baptiste, Black Diamond FX. I'm going to holler at y'all guys later.